Let's learn Take It Easy by the Eagles in under 3 minutes. I'm Steve, hope you're doing just amazing today. It's a pretty easy song. I think you've got 5 total chords and they're all pretty standard ones. No F major involved on this one. Let's start off with no capo on the G major. It goes, while I'm running down the road, and you get this kind of rhythm. Low, high. So it does that throughout the whole song, really. Running down the road, that's G major. Got 7 women to D major, C major. 4 that want to own me, and back to D major, and C. 1 says she's a friend of G. Then it goes into the chorus. Take it easy, E minor. E minor, I play it with 1 finger. E minor, you can play it with 2. Take it C major, back to G. Don't let the A minor, that's A minor, sound of your own wheels, C major, drive you crazy, and back to E minor. And you can either stay on that the whole time, or you could quickly go to a D major, and then it goes lighten up, C major, while you still G. Don't even C major to understand G. Just find a place, A minor, to make your stand, C major, and take it G. G, it sort of strums out there like that. And then it kicks in again. So I'll play the verse and the chorus all the way through one more time. Ready? I'll start with this. Just, let's see. Well, I'm standing on the corner, Winslow, Arizona. G, D, C. G, D, C, G. Take it, E minor, C major, G, A minor, C to E minor. There's that D and C, G, C, G, A minor, C, G. Isn't that cool? Then it does the guitar solo in the middle, and at the end it goes to C major. Ooh, all the oohs. G, C major, G. Back and forth until the song ends. So what a great strumming song, one of those classic ones from the Eagles. All right, in the comments, tell me how you did. Let me know if the chords were easy enough and whether you used 2 fingers on the A minors and the E minors. And I'd love to see you around the channel. See ya.